If you're struggling to log into your WordPress website and you actually have access to your cPanel, this video is for you. Now, I'm going to show you how to change your WordPress website password and username directly from your cPanel. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So you can see this is my cPanel. So what you're going to be doing is to quickly head over to scroll down and go to where you have phpMyAdmin. So I'm going to click on phpMyAdmin. So this is, once it brings you here, I'm going to now from here. So this particular website here is the one I want to change the password. You can see I've opened it over here. So now what I'm going to be doing now is to just quickly, so that I'll be able to know which particular database is carrying this particular website. So just scroll down to database, you will see the name here. Well, you can also check it from here individually by just clicking on each of the database. Let's say for example, by the time you click on, let me say this, you just come to WP option, you just come to this particular side here, then you are going to see the URL. From the URL here, you should be able to know which particular database is for which website. So now in my case, now this is the website I want to change. So what I'm going to quickly do is just to head over to where you have your users. So once you come to users, you're going to see all the list of all the users on your website. This is all the list of my user. I only have one user here. So now to change the username and the password, what you're going to do is just to come here and click on edit. So once you click on edit, I will now come over to where you have this on the password. You can see user password. This is where we are going to make the effects to. So now I'm going to now change it to something different. You can see this is what we have. I'm going to change it to something. Let me add Turkey. Let me make SS for this. I'm just changing it for this sake of this particular tutorial. So let me just change it to this. I'm going to copy it out so I'll be able to just make use of it. So now I'm going to now scroll down. Okay, once you make the changes, what you would not, if you should save now, it might not take effect. So what you're going to do is to come over here and select M5. Just type it MD5. You see MD5. You're going to select MD5 here for that of the password. So now on the username, you can also decide to change the username. Let me say, for example, I'm changing the username to myadmin. Let me say I'm changing the username to myadmin. So I'm going to now scroll down and come to where you have go. I'm going to click on go. Now you can see it has taken effect. So now let me now come here and refresh this particular page, the login page. So now I'm going to, the username is myadmin, then the password is what I just, so you can see the password is a new password I just created, and once I click on login, you can see it has actually taken effect. So you can see it's actually working. So let me just click on, you can see this is actually logged in to the website. So you can see this is how you change your username and your password directly from your cPanel if you are unable to log in to your website, but you have access to your cPanel. This is the way you can actually change your username and your password. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.